Bernard Ippier with Drool King. Rodnecker Car Show, Marion, Ohio. Saturday night cruising. First Saturday every month. Big 1970 Chevy. Four-wheel drive with a heavy suspension. A lot of permits up there from, I guess, car shows. From the Nationals, Jamboree Nationals. Like the one we went to in Lima. It's kind of a Hawaiian blue. It's a Jimmy. The 50 Ford with a flathead. Yes. (2021) 495 horse, mid-engine, C8 with a red interior. Hi. I'm gonna say a Catalina 2+2. I wasn't holding my camera right. I'm sorry. With 24,000 mile original. It just says 2+2 where it would have said Catalina. I'm not sure. The 49er from Pontiac. So they really changed in 50 big time, didn't they? The 49er still has the pre-war look to it, and it's got that Packard looking inline straight 8 in it. So 50 was a big year for Pontiac, I'm guessing. No wonder they sold so many of them in 50. But the Rancheros, they were first come out in 58. So this is US Route 23. We're right by the main highway here on the east side of Marion. Ranchero 500, 1974. A 60s Nova, I'm guessing. 73. So yeah, it has a regular trunk. Wow, that's pretty cool. They had a pretty nice interior. Pretty nice example. Shows 55,000 on there. Wow. Still has the air pipe for the emissions in 73. Like a 307 engine or something, 305 maybe, I don't know, 350. Wow. Another black car. It's a Plymouth, and I'm not sure about that engine. If it was a Mopar, maybe look at the water pump. I didn't get nothing out of the valve cover. Looks like a 302 Ford, but no, I don't know. Distributors in the back. Oh wow, look at this. Is this a Packard? It's a Buick. Okay. With a butterfly hood, and it's a 40. Pre-war. Really a lot more cars than I thought, or I'd have been here earlier. Yeah, check out the 40 in the gold. Wow, that's nice. And the alt-white. 8. So it's got that big straight Oh wow, like an Iron Duke. Buick Dino Flash, okay. Is this a Pontiac? It's a Ford Gala. It's an old Gal convertible from '69. Wow, I didn't realize they were still making them like the earlier ones. Wow. '69 XL Gal 500. With a 390. Nice 390 in there. School bus engine. The 57. That's the one everybody wants. 68. And 70s TA. A big fat block engine in there. Pretty nice hot rod there with the cheater slicks on it and everything. Pretty wild. Check it out, they have like the distributor running off the crankshaft up here at Bandito. Yeah, seen a guy, I sold him some car parts before. Yeah. A lot of years. What he's got in here. Looks kind of like an Amish buggy in here. Which that's how cars started out being built, like in the 20s. They just took a buggy and motorized it. So here's this V8 Vega we saw last night. It's got to be the same one, and we didn't get a good look at it, so we're going to get a better look at it here in Marion. Has a hatchback on it. It might be fresh back from California or something. I don't remember seeing this. They're pretty rare anymore. The Chevy Vega GT in red. It's got the stripes. Wow. It's a nice car, isn't it? Look, talk about a death trap. Huh. So yeah, not really getting a good shot of the car though for the sun. This one has I'm getting a really good look at this because it's like lights up when the sun hits it, but that color, I think it's a better looking car in person than it'll look on film. So here's another Gal 500. Now that one there was a 70s. Later on, looks a lot like this one from the 60s. The Gal 500, and that one that was the XL. The frames rod on these. 352. Gal 500.
You want to do the spit shine or anything like that?
What do you think of this one?
Get ready, because in about 5 minutes,
like the old hardware store,
go
half ton.
And do an inspection. And also here, while they're out there inspecting, we're going to be doing our famous
64
Ford
for the
step
side.
And also you grown-ups. So if you want to
some wild paint job on this one. Beautiful Mustang, 68 fastback, whatever.
For everybody that grown-ups that win, and also we got prizes for the kids that participate in this fan belt.
A Cutlass.
And our
442.
Kids are all winners up to us. So bring your kids up here, let them practice, and you grown-ups get up here and practice. So far,
silver.
The women are dominating the men.
C8.
I know, I hear this all the time. They say
he's got the sticker laying up on a dash, and there's a 78.
Hey guys, let's get up here and practice and make sure we hit them this time. So come on
check
up here.
Check out the clear
do the fan belt
thing
toss.
in the engine cover.
We're going to be starting that while the women are going to be going out there in about
so
5 minutes.
So this is what it looks like under the hood on a mid-engine.
All right, let's get back to some music.
Just a big hole. Your engine's back here. Then you take your tops off and put them in this hole. Some carbon fiber going on. It's got like stealth technology. A Fox body convertible 5.0. But this guy here, well, it's a Z car with a stick shift. The louvers on the window. The sister to this would be that TA. Very unique car here. It's a Studebaker. It's a Plymouth. A Plymouth Suburban from 51.
This just might go back to Oklahoma.
The Suburban with a slider here. A lot of windows in it.
Dream as big as we want to. If we all get a chance, everybody gets to dance. Only in America.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Rod Knockers Car Club, cruise in at the Royal King Saturday night, Marion.